Doug, your everyday scratch. You can fix it, right? Your red dirt road to Texas adventures with Doug and Dennis. This is Everyday Texan. Hey guys, Doug here, your favorite everyday Texan. Happened to go by the local gun shop today on my lunch break, and couldn't help but notice the Streamlight ProTac 1L-1AAs. They had them on sale for 45 bucks. If you know anything about Streamlight, you know it's a pretty good price. Couldn't help but pick one up. Thought we'd do an unboxing review for y'all. Hope you like it. Okay, right off the bat here, I can already tell it's going to be quality because of how hard this package is to get into. Let's see here. We are definitely not going to be able to steal this thing from the store. Okay, start off, we got a sheath. Let's get the rest of this package open here. Pretty cool that it comes with the light and both batteries. It comes with a 123A and a AA. Boy, this light is hard to get out of the package. Nobody is stealing this thing from the store. All right. Got the light out, got the batteries out. Now, with these two batteries, you've got your 123A lithium battery. That'll give you 350 lumens at an hour and a half. You've got your AA battery, which will give you 150 lumens at an hour and 20 minutes. I think that makes it a pretty versatile light for everyday carry. Now, one of the cool things about it, it does have a removable belt clip. If you decide to leave it on there, it does keep the light pretty deep down in your pocket. And you can flip it around and use it on your hat as a headlight. But it does fit in the sheath good and tight. As you'll see here. Yeah, that baby ain't coming out of there. Okay, now let's get it out and put these batteries in. Get this cap off. The very first thing you'll notice is this red O-ring. That is going to give it an IPX7 waterproofing, which will put it down about a meter of water for 30 minutes. Get this cap on here. It does fit good in my hand. I do like that. Okay, comes on. Let's give Dennis a shine here. All right. Now, the coolest feature about this light, we're going to swap out this 123A battery. We're going to put in this AA. There is no adapter to keep up with. I mean, that is going to make this the most versatile light in your bag. Let's get this cap screwed back on here and make sure it works. Bow, right in your kisser, Dennis. Okay, now a couple of cool things about this light. If you do pull that belt clip off, it does have the anti-roll face to keep it from rolling off the counter or whatnot. It does have a glass lens. It does offer Streamlight's featured tin tap. If you guys don't know how to use that, we may show that in another video. But all in all, this is going to be my favorite new EDC light. This is the Streamlight ProTac 1L-1AA.